In order to simulate natural lighting inside Enscape, we need HDRI. What is HDRI? It's an image, and HDRI is an abbreviation for High Dynamic Range Image. This image contains information about lighting and also contains a specific surrounding environment we want it to be related to our project. On Polyhavan website, there are a lot of HDRIs. We can download and use HDRI like this. If we open it in a new tab, we can download it without registering on the website. And also here we choose the image quality. The lower the quality, the smaller the image size. It's also necessary to choose that it is HDR, not EXR. Then click on download. And after we choose the file location, click on save. When we want to use the HDRI, we will start Enscape, then this icon which is for visual settings. Choose the fourth tab, Sky tab. In the horizon part, there is Source. In Source there are many backgrounds we may use it, but when we choose Skybox, the program understands that we want to add a HDRI. So the program calls HDRI Skybox. We will choose Skybox, then we will load a HDRI. Click on this icon. When we go to the folder where the HDRI is located, we will find it looks like this. Choose it and click open. Thus, the HDRI is added to Enscape. We will notice that there has been a change in the Enscape background. Also, we can adjust the rotation of the HDRI and its brightness. Instead of 2000 here, we can make it 10,000. We will notice that HDRI brightness is increased. We may make it 50. It seems like that. We can download more than HDRI to test and see the results. To set the direction of the sun illumination, so does it depends on SketchUp shadows or the brightness of the HDRI in Enscape? We will find here the brightest point as sun direction option. So here the program understands that the brightest point in the HDRI is the sun. Therefore, he uses that point as a sun and determines based on it the direction of the sun rays, then subsequently the direction of the shadows. So the shadows completely change it. And this choice is important because it relates the sun in HDRI to the shadows. Therefore, will be closer to realism. And also when we rotate the HDRI, the shadows will be linked to it according the rotation we do.